Hi y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Island twist. As you guys know, this hairstyle is rocking. All the ladies in the hood are blowing the internet with this hairstyle. Let's get right into the video. I start off by doing a regular plait. I just plait my hair about 6 times before adding extensions, and then my braiding extension here. Then I will just go ahead and braid it in, and I'll add another here. Then I will just go ahead as well and braid that in as well. Then I will keep on doing this method until I get to the thickness of the hair that I want. As you can see, I am taking small braiding pieces of hair so that my hair shouldn't look bulky on the roots. So as you can see, I am braiding that in as well. So I'll keep on doing this until I'm satisfied of the thickness of the hair. So here I just kind of switched the position of the braiding style I'm using, but I'm still doing the same thing. Anyways guys, I will leave the braiding hair that I used under the description below. Right here is where the twist begins. After you do the braid, so you will just divide the hair into 2 strands, then start twisting. At first, you must start off with 2 strands, then twist separately on both sides, then together. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm just putting the pin to secure the braiding hair underneath. So here I will just add a piece of braiding hair which I will use to do the curls. Guys, if you're interested on how I do my curls, please leave a comment down below and I will make a video on how I achieved these curls. I will just twist the braiding hair that I just added in so that it can blend. I will just go ahead and twist my hair in. So guys, just make sure when you're twisting, make sure that at least it's thick, so that when you leave it, it shouldn't unravel. I always say this in all of my videos. This is a very important fact. So as you can see guys, I am just twisting downwards as I go. I will twist till the end of my braiding extensions. As you can see, this is the final look of that braiding extension. Okay, so first you will start by braiding your hair. Just a normal braid. Just braid it down about 6 times or 5, and you start adding your extension here. As you go you add, as you go you add. So you will add braid, add braid, add braid, add braid until you get to the thickness of the hair you will want. As you can see, I'm using small pieces of extension here, so it will take a while, you know. Just keep on braiding, add, braiding, add, braiding, add. Whew, yeah, just braid, add. Then you can see now I just changed to a comfortable position that I would like to twist my hair. So you divide your strands into 2 pieces of strands again. Then you just put a pin to secure your hair on the roots, and you start twisting. Twist, twist, twist. So for you who don't maybe understand or get it on how to twist, or who don't know how to twist, so what you will do, you will need 2 strands of hair to twist your hair, right? And twist separately on the same side or same position, then cross over, twist together. You twist separately, then twist together, twist separately, twist together. Yo, I think that's the best way that I could explain it. You twist together, then twist separately, twist together, then twist separately. But just make sure that you keep the same position of twisting. You don't change the position. If you're twisting on the right hand side, you keep it right hand side on both sides. If you're twisting on the left hand side, you will keep twisting on the left hand side on both sides. So right now I will just twist my hair as I go. I will twist it till the end. I will not do anything, no special thing. I will just keep on twisting my hair till the end. I will not lock it or put a knot or anything. I will just twist it and leave it like that. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the twist. It's actually, it does look good. I won't lie, it looks very good. Okay guys, I will just leave you guys to watch the rest of the video, and I just want to take this moment to appreciate my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching my videos. As you all know that I'm a new YouTuber. I'm a new YouTuber in this game, guys. Like, it's crazy. It gets hectic, but I'm getting there. And guys, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please go do that. Please go turn on the notification. Please like, please comment, please go share my videos, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.